We are back. It is time for Fit Food Fast right here on Cup of Joe. Chef Charlene Procope is back and she is going to do something for us using one of Pepe's healthy line of products. I have my first guest taster here tonight with me. His name is Francisco. You're a healthy eater, my brother.
Joel, I find so. You pick a good choice.
Yeah.
He looking like he is trained, eat good. So I'm making the right thing for him.
Well, I just eat doubles.
You might just eat 2 doubles before he comes out. Help him, Charlie. Help him.
Yeah.
Help him.
I need help.
Joel, today we last week you used Pepe's quinoa, which I told you all the benefits of, high in protein, high in fiber. So today we're going to be using flaxseed. Now, a lot of people go to the grocery and pass flaxseed like bush. Why? Because you don't know what to make with it. You don't know what to include with it. Honestly, Joel.
What is flaxseed?
What is flaxseed?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a grain. It's honestly, Joel, it's high in fiber. Now, I'm not going to say it's high in protein like the quinoa because it has protein, but not as much as the quinoa. But the flaxseed is so high in fiber. Now, when you're having those constipation issues, just add a little tablespoon or teaspoon of flaxseed in your yogurt and it's going to help with that. It helps lower cholesterol. It helps with losing weight, honestly, because the more flaxseed you eat, the more you chew, the harder it's to digest, so it keeps you fuller longer. So Joel, today I'm going to be doing a nice, I can't say nice for Joel because he don't like nothing healthy.
Oh,
so I'm going to be doing a flaxseed cookie. And Joel, the flaxseed cookie has no flour. It's gluten-free, of course. There's no flour, there's no sugar, there's no oil, there's no butter. All the ingredients we like in cookies, it has none of it in it.
So what did make it good?
So now I'm going to tell you what I made it with. So honestly, I used the ground flaxseed. And I use the ground flaxseed because I wanted to have a little crunch to it. I'm going to add some ground flaxseed. So I used the whole flaxseed, before, and now I'm going to use the ground flaxseed. And in high-low, in the grocery, there's a multigrain mix with pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seed, and all kind of seeds. You just name the seeds, Joel, and it have all the seeds in it. And we're going to use 1/4 cup of it. Now, this is my favorite ingredient, and you can add it.
I don't get anything else.
Come back on the show.
What I'm trying to say, it's so healthy that it has all the seeds in it, that you're going to love it. Right, Joel? Like, imagine the cookie literally has about 50 calories.
50 calories?
Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 egg. I have some cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and baking soda. And the only sweet ingredient that I have in the cookie is some raisins, vanilla essence, going to add a little flavor. And I'm going to add some peanut butter.
Oh, peanut butter will flavor it up a bit.
Yes, peanut butter would flavor it up. So you see, I still put something nice in it for you.
Do you want some more peanut butter?
No, I don't want no more peanut butter. So now, if your cookies home does not have enough liquid, we're not going to add more peanut butter. We're going to add some water. Right, Joel? We're trying to keep it as healthy as we can. We're going to add some water.
Want some butter, please?
No more water. And basically, this is it. Now, Joel, these cookies freeze really, really good. It lasts 15 minutes in the oven. And basically, that's it. Now, you can have this on mornings. You can have it 12 o'clock in the night because it literally does nothing for you because it has no flour, no sugar. What else? No butter.
It has nothing in it. There's nothing in it. But Charlie, the benefits of the flaxseed. I mean, you have flaxseed a lot in your diet.
Yes.
In terms of why you have flaxseed as much as you do.
Because Joe, a lot of people don't eat oatmeal because they don't like the taste of oatmeal. I tell you, I live by oatmeal. Now, flaxseed, it has no taste, it has no flavor. I'm not going to lie about it. It honestly has no taste and flavor.
Right, so I need to know why I'm eating it.
So why you're eating flaxseed is because it helps with your fiber intake. Right. It helps lower your cholesterol. It helps you lose weight. Okay. And Joel, it adds crunch and texture to anything that you're eating. So if you're eating yogurt, you add a teaspoon of flaxseed, okay. You get some crunch, you get a whole lot of fiber. And 1 teaspoon of flaxseed has 7 calories. Now, Joel, tell me, you would want 7 calories in your diet? You know you're going to lose weight really, really quick? Trust me.
Let's try one. Let's try one. Let's try one. Yeah, let's try one. Yeah, let's try one. So this is as healthy a biscuit
Yes,
as you will
honestly,
get.
it's like one of my healthiest thing I've ever made because I added no sugar to it. Now you at home can add some honey, you can add some cranberry. You know, you can make it nice for yourself, but if you honestly want to lose weight, if you're diabetic, if you're suffering with, you know, any type of like hypertension, you have high cholesterol, the honest way to go is by lessening how much calories you add to like ingredients.
That's why we love it. That's why we have on the show, guys. Chef Charlene Procope-Delph. I would have put another tablespoon or two of peanut butter, but thank you, Chef Charlene.
You're welcome.
One of the folks at Pepe's, because Charlene has been working with this entire line of Pepe's products. They have an entire healthy line from quinoa to all the seeds that Charlene mentioned. Lots of seeds, and they have it all at Pepe's. Guys, check them out.
And you can add Pepe's chia seeds to it as well.
You can add more seeds.
Yes,
Chia seeds as well.
more seeds. We are birds today.
You love seeds.
Yeah,
you
we are
love
birds.
seeds.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Francisco, guys, give it up for Francisco. We're coming back. We're coming back. We're taking a clean up break. Thanks to the folks at Softweed.
I don't like how you said that clean up, Joe. I hope you mean by cleaning your plate. Okay?